Hi students, good morning to all of you. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about General Knowledge Class 8 Part 2. First, endangered animals, Asian mammals. Endangered Asian mammals. These few animals live in Asia but are the battling to live. Loss of the habitats, fear of the hunting and poaching has brought them on the verge of extinction. Means endangered animals are those animals for loss of habitats, fears of hunting and poaching brought them all the words of extinction. It means after some year maybe such type of animal not found on the earth. So discuss here through the pictures and the given clue. First, it is a wild cat found in the Himalaya regions, excellent rock climber. The name of this mammal, snow leopard. SNOW, snow leopard. LEOPARD, snow leopard. Second, it is an ape found in China, Assam, Bangladesh and Myanmar. The name of this mammal, Hooklock gibbon. HOOLOCK, Hooklock gibbon. GIBBON, gibbon. Third, water mammal found only in fresh water in Pakistan. This mammal found only in fresh water in Pakistan. The name of this mammal is Indus River dolphin. INDUS, Indus River RIVER, river dolphin DOLPHIN, dolphin. Fourth, water dependent cattle see in India to Vietnam and Myanmar. The name of this mammal, wild Asian fallow. WILD, wild Asian, ASIAN, Asian buffalo, BUFFOLO, buffalo. Fifth, a mountain goat can climb tree found in Himalayas, the mountains of Central Asia region. The name of this mountain goat is called Markhor, MARKHOR. Question number 6. Huge mammal with two horns, Sumatra, Malaya Peninsula and Borneo. It is a herbivorous animal. The name of this mammal, Sumatran rhino. SUMATRAN, Sumatran rhino, RHINO, rhino. Question number 7. It is a desert antelope seen in Arabian Peninsula and Middle East. This is a desert antelope seen in Arabian Peninsula and Middle East. The name of this mammal is Oryx, ORYX. Question number 8. Can climb tree of feed and sunbat found in the mountain north from the northeast India to Myanmar. The name of this mammal is called red panda. RED, red, PAND, panda, red panda. Question 9. A wild dog swims well. A Asiatic wild dog found in the mainly in India. The name of this dog is called dhol. DHOL. Question number 10. It is called a fruit bat. Found in Japan, it navigates using vision. The name of this fruit bat is Ryukyu, flying fox. Ryukyu, RYUKYU. Question number 11. It is an antelope found in Tibet and Ladakh. It is an antelope which is threatened by poaching for its wool known as the Sastus. Known as the Sastus. Means this antelope found in Tibet and Ladakh area. The name of this mammal is called Chiru. 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 The words of dinosaurs. The dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. They were called terrible lizards. They were of various types. Some of them are given below to identify through this given clue. First, small bipedal or ornithischians with thick skulls, flat bodies, and had a rounded dome of solid bone on the skull. The name of this dinosaur is Pachycephalosaurus. The name of this dinosaur is Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus. Second, they were flesh eaters. They were heavy, near about 5 metric ton, and long, near about 12 meter. These dinosaurs were bipedal flesh eaters. They were heavy, at about 5 metric ton, and long 12 meter. The name of this dinosaurs are theropods. 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 Question number 3. Plated dinosaurs on the late years with double row of triangular bony plates on its back. The name of this dinosaur Stegosaurus. 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 Question 4. Plant-eating dinosaurs with 3 toes feed like a bird. The name of this dinosaur is Ornithopods. 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 Question number 5. The quadrupedal horned dinosaurs with horns over the nose and eyes. They had a saddle-shaped bony strip up to neck. These dinosaurs were heavy and were about 8 meters in the length. The name of this dinosaur Ceratopsians. Ceratopsians. Ceratopsian. Question number 6. Tank-like dinosaurs with thick oval plate in the leathery skins for protection. They had spikes, horns, and also a club-like tail. The name of this dinosaur is Ankylosaurus. 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 The great women's honors of India. First woman swimmer constitutes 7C. The name of Bulla Chaudhary. Second, first woman of India to climb Mount Everest in 1984. The name of this great woman Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal climbed Mount Everest in 1984. Question number 3. First Indian woman born in India, astronaut. She lost her life aboard USA Space Shuttle Columbia on Feb 1, 2003. The name of this great lady is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla. Question 4. The American astronaut of Indian origin who spent the longest time in space and also made a record in spacewalking. The name of Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, an American astronaut who spent the longest time in space and made a record spacewalking. Question number 5. First woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. Mount Everest twice. Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav, a great lady, the world to climb Mount Everest twice. Question number 6. First Indian singles woman tennis player and winner of WTA. Name is Sania Mirza. Question number 7. First Indian woman scoring a Test double century, Mithila Raj. In your book, given a Mithila Raj, but correct name is Mithali Raj. Question number 8. First medalist in the World Athletics Championship in 2003. The name of Anju Bobby George. Anju Bobby George was the first medalist in the World Athletics Championship in 2003. Question number 9. First ICC Women's Cricket of the Year 2007 awarded Jhulan Goswami. First ICC Women's Cricket of the Year 2007 awarded Jhulan Goswami. Question number 10. First Indian woman to be appointed as Civil Police Advisor in the UNO, United Nations Organization. Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi appointed the Civil Police Advisor in UNO. Question number 11. First musician to be awarded Bharat Ratna, M.S. Subbulakshmi. M.S. Subbulakshmi, first musician to be awarded Bharat Ratna. Question number 11. First woman president of UN General Assembly, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, first woman president of UN General Assembly. Hopefully you understand endangered mammals, endangered Asian mammals, dinosaurs, and our great showmen of India. You are right on your copy and done it. Thank you.